If you are experiencing a delay in receiving the verification code for WhatsApp, you can try the following steps to fix the issue. Step number 1 is to check your network connection. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if there is any difference in receiving the verification code. Number 2. Confirm your phone number. Double check that you have entered the correct phone number when registering for WhatsApp. Make sure to include the correct country code and remove any leading zeros or additional digits. Number 3. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart of your device can resolve temporary glitches or network issues that may be causing the delay in receiving the verification code. Turn off your device, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Number 4. Request a call instead. If you are not receiving the verification code via SMS, you can choose the Call Me option during the verification process. WhatsApp will call your phone and provide you with the verification code through an automated voice message. Number 5. Use a different phone number. If the delay persists and you have access to another phone number, try using that number for verification. It could help identify whether the issue is specific to your current phone number or a general problem. Number 6. Contact WhatsApp support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, reach out to WhatsApp support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance and troubleshoot the problem based on your situation. Remember to be patient and allow some time for the verification code to arrive. In certain cases, network delays or technical issues might cause a temporary delay in receiving the code.